Good afternoon, everybody. Is from Jayshree, Department of Biomedical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. I am going to take electronic devices and electric circuits under this PN junction diode. Topic is name is what? PN junction diode. So let us see what do you mean by PN junction diode. The pure silicon crystal or germanium crystal is known as intrinsic semiconductor. There are not enough free electrons and holes in an intrinsic semiconductor to produce a usable current. The electrical actions of these can be modified by doping. When a crystal has been doped, it is called eccentric semiconductor. N-type semiconductor have free electrons as majority carriers. P-type semiconductor has free holes as majority carriers. If the junction is made by joining P-type semiconductor to N-type semiconductor, a useful device is produced known as diode. It will allow the current to flow through it only in one direction. Okay. Next one, PN junction diode. Let us see the circuit of P-type material. So we already seen that P-type material has larger number of positive ions, right? So it is mentioned by this P-type material by plus. We have already mentioned that N-type has negative number of electrons, which is mentioned by this minus sign. Okay. So both P-type and N-type are together to connect it to form the junction. And P-type is moved towards the N-type, whereas N-type is moved towards the P-type. Next, let us see what is meant by PN junction. Holes from the P side diffuse into the N side when they recombine with free electrons. Free electrons from N side diffuse into P side when they recombine with free holes. The diffusion of electrons and holes is due to the fact the large number of electrons are concentrated in one area and the large number of holes are concentrated in another area. When these electrons and holes are being to diffuse across the junction, then they collide each other and negatively charge in the electrons cancels the positive charge of the hole and both will lose their charges. The diffusion of electrons and holes in an electric current referred to as recombination current. The recombination process decay exponentially with both time and distance from the junction. Thus, most of the recombination occurs just after the junction is made and very near to junction. Okay, that is what this list of this PN junction diode. Okay. Next one, P-type. So P-type is nothing but this plus symbol and N-type is nothing but the minus symbol. The electrically charged atom are called ions since they are no longer neutral. After several collision occurs, the electric field is great enough to repel rest of majority carriers and away from the junction. The region is produced immediately surrounding the junction that has no majority carriers. The junction is also known as barrier region or depletion region. The physical width of the depletion region depends on the doping level. So here let us see the negative symbols or negative signs are represented on the positive side and whereas positive ions are represented on this N side. So this excess electrons and holes form the depletion region. This block the electric current between the P-type to P channel to N channel. This forms the depletion region. PN junction diode. The semiconductor diode is a two-terminal electronic component with the PN junction. This is also called rectifier. The anode, which is a positive terminal of the diode, is represented with the A, and the cathode, which is a negative terminal, is represented with letter K. So this is what the anode and the cathode. The semiconductor device is a two-terminal electronic component with the P junction. This is called rectifier. The anode with the positive terminal of the diode is represented with A, and the cathode with the negative terminal. Okay. So let us see. This is what the biasing of. There are two types of biasing in this PN junction. Number one is what forward bias. Number two is what reverse bias. In the forward bias junction, here the A is connected to the plus sign and the minus is connected to the cathode. So this forms this forward bias junction. Okay. So this plus indicates this plus symbol and minus indicates this minus symbol. Okay. This forms this biasing of forward bias junction. Okay, so the anode is connected to positive and cathode is connected to negative. This forms this forward bias. Next one is what reverse bias. anode is connected to negative and cathode is connected to positive. This forms this diode reverse bias junction. This p-type forms this left side and n-type goes around to the right side. This connections form this reverse bias junction. That is, P is connected to this negative and N is connected to positive. So these are the VI characteristics of diode. This is called the breakdown voltage and forward voltage and reverse voltage. This is what the practical diode current. So thank you all. Keep learning.